Mommy, can we bake? Can we please bake?
Mini Cupcake Doughnuts guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Marwah and Leenah's kitchen. So we're going to be taking my great Aunty Betty's recipe and we're going to be making something new out of it. We're going to be making Mini Cupcake Doughnuts. Yum. I love donuts. Do you love them? Me too. So good. My mom too. And my dad too. So you guys should already know this recipe because it's the yellow cake recipe. But I'll go through it one more time and I'll tell you what's different. So you're gonna need some flour, some brown sugar, and some white sugar, and some baking powder, some salt, and some nutmeg, and 3 eggs, some vanilla, some butter, and 2 cups of milk. The things that are different is that we're using some whole wheat flour and brown sugar and nutmeg. The nutmeg will make it taste like donuts. So since we've done this recipe already before, we're just gonna put it together really quickly. Here we go, everything just goes in one bowl. And before you do anything, don't forget to wash your hands and say Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. See how easy that is? You just throw everything in one bowl. Start the mixer slowly so that you don't get any splash. So once you see that it's combined, then turn it on high and mix it for 2 minutes. Don't forget to clean up while you're baking. So to make our donuts, we're gonna be putting our batter into our mini cupcake trays. We want to make them as small as Timbits. You have to have greased mini cupcake trays. And we're just using this scoop to make it easier. I wonder if the word Bismillah will make us scoop these things more quickly. Bake these for 10 to 15 minutes at 350 degrees. What are we doing with these? Why are the paper bags here? Are we going to eat lunch in them or what? Yeah. Eat them? Why are they here? And why are there 2 bags? I think they're here because we're making cinnamon sugar to put on our donuts. Oh, and we're going to use the bags to shake the donuts in. What are we shaking them anyway? I think we're making some cinnamon sugar. All you need is just cinnamon with sugar. So mix it until it's something like this, or until the cinnamon and sugar is combined. Yeah, it's not really wet. It's like dry. So our cupcakes came out of the oven. So you're gonna need a grown-up's help for this part because we're gonna have to put the cinnamon sugar on while they're still warm. So now I'm just gonna add in the cinnamon sugar into my bag. But I can do it myself. Now my turn. No, Leenah. It's like a sugar waterfall. Then you have to hold it straight and dump it in. It's like twisting it in. Now comes the fun part, the shaking part. Shake, 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 shake. Chocolates are done? Now they should be done. Okay. Now we're gonna wiggle it loose and take them out. Ooh, those came out nice. Oh, this one came out perfect. Yay. This one came out good.
Yep, just keep going until you're done all of your donuts.
Shake, shake, shake,
Shake.
do a dance while you're doing it.
MashaAllah, Alhamdulillah, these look so pretty.
Shake, 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 shake.
Yeah, you have to shake, shake, shake. Shake, 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 shake.
So if you guys have extras, you guys can use it for something else, like sprinkle it on your cereal or even on your fruit, or use it for like a
oatmeal
cake.
or anything.
Yeah, you can use it for anything
Or
else.
sprinkle it on your table. Can we eat this now?
Yes. Don't
we
forget
have
to
to
say
say
Bismillah. Bismillah. These are like one bite cupcakes, like you just put them in your mouth and you're
Yeah.
done.
Oh, this one I love. I'm taking this one.
Like 2 bites. So when you bite into it, it's like the cinnamon is like, it gives you that flavor of autumn, like, cause cinnamon is really, really nice. So the cinnamon just like,
It tastes so super good, like so. Alhamdulillah. Let's see.
thanks for watching. Jazakallahu khairan.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
What's up? Niqab. Yeah, I'm eating the paper. You have to be careful, you know. Oh, and we're gonna use the donuts to shake the bags in. La 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 la.